Explore the ocean and beach essential English questions for beginners.
How far is the tropical island from here? It's about 2 hours by boat.
Is it windy by the sea today? Yes, it's a bit windy by the sea today.
Where's the nearest beach? The nearest beach is 10 minutes away.
Why do people like to visit tropical beaches? They like the warm weather and clear water.
How do you feel when you are at the beach? I feel relaxed and happy.
Have you ever seen the ocean? Yes, I have seen the ocean many times.
What color is the water in the ocean? The water in the ocean is usually blue or green.
Do you like collecting seashells on the shore? Yes, I love collecting seashells on the shore.
Does David like swimming in the sea? Yes, David loves swimming in the sea.
Have you ever been to a tropical island? Yes, I went to a tropical island last year.
What is the best time to visit a tropical island? The best time is during the dry season, usually in winter.
Is it safe to swim in this part of the ocean? Yes, it is safe, but always be careful.
Does David want to live by the beach? Yes, David wants to live by the beach in the future.
Does Emma enjoy snorkeling in the ocean? Yes, she enjoys snorkeling a lot.
What do you do when you visit a tropical island? I usually relax on the beach and explore the island.
What do you see when you look at the ocean? I see waves, boats, and sometimes dolphins.
What can you find on a tropical island? You can find palm trees, sandy beaches, and exotic animals.
Can Emma surf in the ocean? Yes, Emma can surf very well.
Can you walk to the beach from here? No, it's too far to walk. We need a car.
Is the water warm at the beach? Yes, the water is warm and perfect for swimming.
Master countable and uncountable nouns in English. What is a countable noun? A countable noun is something that can be counted, like apple or car. What is an uncountable noun? An uncountable noun is something that cannot be counted, like water or sugar. How many apples are there? There are 3 apples. How much water is in the glass? There is some water in the glass. Do you have any books? Yes, I have 5 books. Do you have any money? Yes, I have some money. Can you count rice? No, you cannot count rice. It is uncountable. Can you count chairs? Yes, you can count chairs. They are countable. Is milk countable or uncountable? Milk is uncountable. Is banana countable or uncountable? Banana is countable. How many bananas are there? There are 4 bananas. How much milk do you have? I have a little milk. Do you need any eggs? Yes, I need 6 eggs. Do you need any flour? Yes, I need some flour. Are cars countable or uncountable? Cars are countable. Is music countable or uncountable? Music is uncountable. How many cars are in the parking lot? There are 10 cars in the parking lot. How much music do you have on your phone? I have a lot of music on my phone. Do you have any friends in New York? Yes, I have many friends in New York. Do you have any information about the museum? Yes, I have some information about the museum.
Beach Day Conversation. Practice English with simple dialogues. Hi Annabelle. It's such a beautiful day at the beach, isn't it?
Hi George. Yes, the weather is perfect. The sun is shining, and the sea looks amazing.
Do you like coming to the beach often?
I do. The beach is my favorite place to relax. How about you?
I love the beach too. It's so peaceful. I enjoy swimming in the sea.
Swimming is fun. I also like to collect seashells. Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have. It's interesting to see all the different shapes and colors. Do you want to collect some now?
Sure. Let's walk along the shore and see what we can find.
Great idea. The sand is so warm under our feet. It feels nice, doesn't it?
It really does. And the sound of the waves is so calming.
It's the best part of the beach. The waves are so relaxing. Do you like to sunbathe as well?
Yes, but only for a short time. I prefer to stay in the shade and read a book.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read novels, especially romance. How about you?
I like adventure stories. They're exciting to read. Maybe we can read together sometime.
That sounds fun, George. We can bring our books next time we come to the beach.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad we could spend time together here today.
Me too, George. The beach is even better when you're with a friend.
I agree. Let's make sure to come back soon.
Grand Canyon Adventure, an English conversation. Hey Nancy, have you ever been to the Grand Canyon before?
Hi, Oscar. No, this is actually my first time. I've always wanted to see it. How about you?
It's my second visit, but it feels just as breathtaking as the first time. The views are incredible.
I can't wait to see it for myself. I've heard the sunrise and sunset views are out of this world.
Absolutely. Watching the sun rise over the canyon is a magical experience. We should definitely get up early one morning to see it.
That sounds like a great idea. What else would you recommend doing while we're here?
Well, there are some fantastic hiking trails. We could take a guided tour to learn more about the canyon's history and geology.
I'd love that. I'm really interested in photography, so I'm hoping to get some amazing shots of the landscape.
You're in the right place for that. There's also a helicopter tour that gives you a bird's-eye view of the canyon. It's an unforgettable experience.
Wow, that sounds incredible. It must be so different seeing the canyon from above.
Definitely. And if you're feeling adventurous, We can even try rafting down the Colorado River.
That sounds exciting, but also a bit scary. I'll think about it.
No pressure. Just enjoying the views and taking it easy is enough to make this trip memorable.
Absolutely. I'm just happy to be here and experience this with you. It's going to be an unforgettable adventure.
I'm sure of it. Let's make the most of our time at the Grand Canyon.
Yes, let's. Thanks for planning this trip, Oscar. I'm so excited for all the adventures we'll have.
Anytime, Nancy. Let's go make some memories.